Hello guys, what's up? It's your boy Javon. Today we are gonna be playing one of my most favorite games ever. But guys, we have Minecraft today, and yeah, Minecraft supposedly like it, but it's like Castlemar Z a couple days ago, and I just did what I do most. Okay. It's not responding again because I had to fix that. No, I'm gonna have to change them. Like 7. That's good. I don't have any text packs. I restart my if you do the whole thing again. But yeah. So I'm gonna play my role. So I was recording. I was just in my world. Okay. So, and the goal of this game. So I had some meat. I got myself meat. Now I'm gonna try to. So now I changed the graphics to fast, and it was pretty laggy. That if you look at a tree, it's pretty laggy. Like, look at this. I'm gonna try to put it here. Yeah. I'm gonna try to build my house over there. I'm gonna try to build my house right there. No, Mr. Cow, come here. Leave. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, this is better. No. This is scary. Whoa, jeez. Oh, okay, my game is really weird. My game is so laggy. See if I can craft wood. Now, how am I supposed to find chicken? Like, literally. Can you get sheep so I can make a bed? But Enderman basically. This is scary. This is literally scary. Oh my god, my game is literally lagging. What the heck? That's bear house, but how do you make a bed? Oh, let me move my face cam to like there. No. I was watching Run OMG. Okay. How? Okay. Yeah. Need to. This is scary. This is a chicken. Chicken form. Okay. Hold on, I need to change this because it's pretty laggy. Oh, I see it down there. But I'm not gonna have to. I need to find a sheep. But how am I supposed to find a sheep? Cause it's so laggy. I can hear water. Okay, there's my house. Why do creepers everywhere? Oh my god. Yo! No. Chum. Oh god. If they destroy my house, I'm really mad. Where is it? Yeah, they're right there. Don't blow up! Don't blow up my house. Don't blow up my house. Okay, blew up me. Okay. Okay, I almost died. Oh man. They're wanting me to kill me right now. I'm gonna have to. Okay. Now, need to find. No. Need to make a door. Oh, okay, what's wrong? So I made my house. I need to find sheep. I need to find sheep so I can make. Skeletons. Ow! Don't hurt me, skeletons. Sheep. Yes. Sheep. Need to go back into our house. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. I got achievements. Yes, I got getting wood, take inventory, bench. Okay. Need to make the iron pack. So guys, I'm gonna have to leave this episode. It's been Minecraft has been really fun today. So I hope you all do that me. So make sure to smash that that like button, that subscribe button for more. Bye.